This goat will make our feast perfect.
Yes, I agree. Today we are preparing a special bakery-style mutton rice feast for everyone.
Look at these big, juicy, they will make our rice extra delicious.
Fresh spices always bring the best flavor to our cooking. This rich marinade will make the meat tender and full of flavor. Let's cover every piece with masala so every bite tastes amazing.
Now the fire is ready for our big feast.
Perfect. Let's start cooking. Golden onions will give amazing flavor to our mutton rice. Let the meat cook slowly, so it becomes tender and juicy. Clean rice is the secret of perfect mutton rice.
This is going to be a royal feast.
Now we will layer the rice for perfect bakery-style flavor.
The smell is amazing.
Everyone will love it. Perfect aroma makes every bite special. Now let it cook on slow dum.
Now it's perfectly sealed for dum.
The aroma is getting perfect. Wow, it looks perfect.
Come everyone, enjoy our special feast.
Everyone loved it.
This is the best day. If you enjoyed our story, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.
Tell us in comments, do you like our videos in Urdu or English?